Good morning, Treasure Mountain. This is Mrs. Matthews, your favorite librarian. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our very first drawing of the 2014-15 school year for our Beehive nominees. The grand prize is a Kindle Fire HD7 with a $20 Amazon gift card. And the winner is... Here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. And we have our awesome Christmas elf, Miss Hooker, here ready to go. And the winner, the grand prize for the Beehive Award nominee, the Kindle Fire, is...
Ho, ho, ho!
Natalie Heriter for Guitar Notes. Go, Natalie!
Go, Natalie!
Woo, woo, woo. Go, Natalie!
Read more!
The runner-up prizes are a $20 gift card along with a pair of, oh, check these out, Date Due library socks. Date Due library socks. Prizes come.
Woo! Ow, 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 ow!
Jack Skidmore for the testing!
Woo! Jack reported on that book in my class.
Just yesterday.
Woo!
Another runner-up prize, once again, a $20.
No, this is like take
A
20.
$20 Amazon card and a journal for reading lovers. Pretty awesome.
Oh!
And the winner is Camille Breholz for the testing! Woohoo! And finally, we have the best of mugs and the worst of mugs as a prize today. It is the greatest first lines in literature ever. First lines. Very good.
Ta-da!
Okay. One more. The last one is... Ooh. And the winner is Bryce Murin for, again, the testing. What an awesome book. Woohoo! Way to go. So keep reading. We'll have another drawing in the spring. Congratulations. Have happy holidays. Ho, ho, ho.